It's Sunday morning, panibagong gala na naman at pupunta tayo sa Pinto Art Museum sa Antipolo, Rizal ngayon. So this was just decided kahapon kasi pretty much wala kaming gagawin this Sunday and we decided to go on a short trip going to the museum.
Hello vlog, welcome to my guys.
Tapos,
Okay.
apat,
Ano pong drinks nila, sir?
dalawang coke po. It's exactly 11:30 and we just arrived here sa Pinto Art Museum sa Antipolo City. Now, let's go in and explore the area. As soon as you enter the museum, you are greeted like a Mediterranean style of architecture and reminds me of Santorini. So very similar siya with all the textured finish na walls, white and blue, of course. So inside the museum, you can actually find some restaurants and cafes, and one of which is Cafe Rizal. Just as you enter the Pinto Art Museum, bubungad sa inyo itong Cafe Rizal. So they're serving pizzas, pastas. Supposedly dapat Filipino cuisines, pero yeah, that's what they serve. Obviously, this is an art museum, and everywhere you look, you see art. There's a piece of art here na pinagtagpi-tagpi na container ng tubig, the blue ones, as you can see here. Ayan, the details. And it's like an abstract work of art. It's like a tree, kung titingnan mo. And sa loob, you'll see here a figure. We are now in this room na para siyang a hall where you can watch a video about the Pinto Art Museum. See here. There's a section here sa museum, like it's a chapel. But you can see na sa baba, we have yung chapel of course, and then meron tayong ibang art rooms as well. The good thing about this is you can see layers talaga. And layers of arts. And it's not only arts na makikita nyo dito. You can see landscapes, vegetations, and all the good stuff. It's colorful, it's light and airy, so the vibe here is like that.
Kira talaga yan kanina pa. Ano heart? Heart. Kira talaga yan kanina.
Bahay daw ni Wednesday, sabi.
Ito, nasa labas.
Ito puro daga sa likod.